No, I felt like I went in. I was a bit nervous. He's like number two seed. He's a good player, like 400 in the world. So, I just was a little bit nervous. Started off slow. So it, like frustrated me a little bit. So, kind of didn't get better in the first set, and then second set, new balls. I felt like he gave me a little bit of a window. Like I just decided to play more solid, and he just I think the heat got him a little bit maybe or something, but he was missing more. His balls didn't have as much weight on them, so and then I just continued that to the third set, and just like trusted my fitness and my shots. I love the heat. Like when I'm in university up in the States, like I miss it a lot, the heat, because we play in just sometimes cold weather or indoor, but like I love playing in the heat, and I know like I always have a slight advantage over like foreign players, like Europeans. So, yeah.
What do you think about your chances now that you've gone through two rounds? I know you don't want to look too far ahead, but there could be a possibility that you could go all the way right here, right?
Yeah, I mean, for sure, like the draw is open. One and two seeds are out, so I'll just focus on my next match. I don't know who it's against yet, but I'll just focus on my recovery for now, and I'll hydrate and be ready for tomorrow.